Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday afternoon and we're just going to have a wander through the town, see what's going on, see if we can catch some sights and sounds of Blackpool. Yeah, it's 3:45 in the afternoon as it goes. Yeah, so yeah, just at the bottom end of Queen Street here, Soul Street over there. And then here we've got the Metropole Hotel, which is obviously, as you're all probably aware, is a migrants hotel. But we're just going to go onto the car park and show you the splendid views that these people get from the migrants hotel here in Blackpool. It is a public car park, so in effect they can't stop me coming on here, and it's public accessible anyway. But we're not interested in the hotel. We just want to show you the views that you got. Lovely views, isn't it? So if you do want some short-term parking, yeah, you can use this, which is public accessible. And this is the views our migrants get. Look at that, eh? And there's obviously North Shore. Sorry, North Pier. Get it right, Mark. Yeah, just a brief look at the view they've got. And for anybody else that hasn't seen the view, that the only hotel on the promenade in Blackpool. And by that I mean this side of the road. I'm being stared at very viciously from behind with security. I'm not bothered. But yeah, let's head on into the town. A few of them loitering about. Yeah, bottom of Queen Street. This is the new green area. And the famous Soul Street there. Queen Street here, very busy area at night. Obviously not this time of the day. But wait till you see it at night if you've never seen it. There's people in that walkabout older than me. But they won't be there tonight. Food bars run bar. And Pop World. And this is called the Strand, this little alleyway. And there's that tower. North Pier. Lots of people about. Well, first impression, the town looks busy. People are drinking already. They're on it already for the weekend. Yeah, that's just the bottom end of Church Street, which we will cover it in a little while when we've done a little bit of the promenade. Yeah, lots of people out and about, isn't it? Beach house here. This is a view people will get from the beach house having a drink. This is the area where Christmas by the Sea will be. So if you've never seen it and you've never watched last year's videos, yes, this will be happening from the 15th of November. And as we get closer to Christmas, it always seems more Christmassy, if that makes sense. But yeah, to show you the tower, hadn't I, as I'm here. Blackpool Tower. Comedy carpet here, always attracts a lot of people. We may be over the school holidays, but Blackpool doesn't close after that. We are still open. Look at the people, look at the traffic. Certainly loads of traffic about for a Saturday afternoon, as well as the crowds that are on foot. Coral Island there. Coral Island, that's our biggest amusement arcade. It also has a bar in it, a restaurant, and fish and chip outlets as well. So again, some of this information is for people that haven't watched the channel, haven't been to Blackpool, don't know anything about Blackpool, which we always take into consideration when we're walking and talking. Some might say, as you are, but there you go. People everywhere. And then in front of us there we've got Central Pier, which we have done videos on, and we will continue to do more videos on Central Pier. Every day is different in Blackpool. Every walk is different in Blackpool. Flagship bar there. Shame the flagship bar closed down, it was a great bar. There's the old Bonnie Street Market over there, and the police station and law courts, which will soon be coming down. Can't get through there. And the Castle pub. Everybody knows about the Castle pub. Bit rough around the edges, but very popular with a good atmosphere. To the right of me, Central Pier. And we will head through the town. This is the part where we're just people watching, aren't we? Or I'm pointing the camera at people, because we all love a bit of people watching, don't we? This is the backside. I'm using that word twice today. Where have I got this word from, backside? But this is the backside of Coral Island. This amazes me. This great building up in the distance, on the right of the very right, used to be the old Argos. And then you've got the old pound stretcher. And then you've got McDonald's. Well, McDonald's has recently been refitted out and completely changed. Now that used to be a glass window. Now they've changed everything round where the kitchen is and everything. It's all right in there, don't get me wrong. But doesn't this look bad? The boarding. There's no even, excuse me. You could see I was recording. Some posters that won't be scratched off. With McDonald's on the side, we'll just finish it off. But the way they've done McDonald's and then it carries along there, I just don't think it looks good. And then looking right down there is Central Drive, with our brand new car park to the right hand side, the grey building, the multi-storey car park, which you enter through Chapel Street. Blackpool is certainly busy, isn't it? God, I'm so hot again. Why do I keep coming out? Like, dressed like I do, it's crazy. Back of the tower here. I've got to stop coming out over his wrist. It's ridiculous. Harry Ramsden's. Don't seem to do too well now, Harry Ramsden's. Should have left the nightclub there. Used to love the sticky floors in there. Do you get a feeling this is going to be a bit long? But we haven't done a video for a long time, and a long video, have we? That's just looking up Church Street, which we'll cover shortly when I've done the loop. Oh, I forgot to press the stop button on the record, so I don't know if I got to the end of that clip. Yeah, karaoke every weekend. What do you think, Nick? The Burley Street there. But we are going to head down here and then we're going to go up Church Street then. And then I think a visit at the end of this video is to go to Sainsbury's, I think. Scruffy Murphy's. Still haven't been in there for a drink. But I will be going in there soon. Music's always good in there, you know. Costa Coffee. When I first moved to Blackpool, this Costa Coffee was a Dixon's. We all remember Dixon's, don't we? Right, let's see if we can soak some of the atmosphere of Church Street into the vlog. Yeah, this old Art Foundation building sold some good quality furniture in there and bits and pieces. And we had a nail shop there, and it caught fire. So it done damage to the building. But when I first moved to Blackpool, yeah, this was the Poundland store. The Poundland store. Somebody singing here. Intro lounge. Oh, sorry if that was a bit too fast on the old swing round. St John's Square. Abingdon Street Market on the right hand side. I won't go in there today, but we have been in there, and I will be going in again. It's an old market at Blackpool, well, many years ago. It was originally a police station, but Abingdon Street Market closed down with lockdown upon us. The council bought it. 3/4 of it is a drinking den. Like big long tables that you share with everybody and they do food. But most of you would have seen the videos, but we will go in there and show you it again soon. And the other quarter is, I don't know how to put this, I've used the words before, like a Art Deco market stroke vintage. Yeah, that type of thing. But yeah, Abingdon Street Market here. The station pub. As far as I'm aware, that is still dog friendly as well. And we're on to Talbot Road. Someone's got a parking ticket. Not allowed. Not allowed. Oh God. I can't wait to get home and get these clothes off. My days. So warm and sticky. And I've got a new shop opening behind me. Any guesses what it might be? Any guesses? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? You ready? There it is. Cozy Clip Barbers. Can you believe it? Bit of Mark Kelly's. Right, we'll leave the video there, otherwise it's going to get too long. And yes, I'll put this on as soon as I can, and I hope you all enjoy your weekend. Okay, thank you for watching, and catch you all again very soon.